Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm going through this Lexus CT200, if I'm not mistaken. It's a 1.8 hybrid. Now it's common obviously in the Toyota world as well, it's a little bit the same engine and whatnot. If you are getting this fault code P3193 fuel run out, now this usually happens, the percentage of it happening may be that you've run out of fuel, and it's not going to crank and the car goes into a safe mode, which then will require you to do a reset through the diagnostic machine. Or the other alternative would be the fuel pump, which you can check the fueling system, see if there is fuel going. But they're the two options. You can also track and trace the wiring to it as well, to the fuel pump, to double check. Now it will, if it does go into this sort of limp mode and shuts down into the safe mode, you will require a diagnostic machine. This is the King Bowling K10 I'm using, so something similar to this, quite high up, will require a full reset, and then hopefully that should do it. But obviously you'll need to top up fuel if you've run out, but that's what that is. And obviously this is the engine. Fuel pump, you can ask me where it's located. I couldn't really tell you, as I've not really worked on these engines, but that is what you will be getting. Okay.